Brian here with you. Let's take a look now at this mid-19th century American travel guide in a period half-leather binding, typical smooth spine, gilt ruled and lettered, marbled covers as is often seen for book bindings of this era. Text block is very clean, tight and sound here. It's very clean and very nice. There is an owner's name at the top with the date August 1840, which is the year of publication. It is a book which went through numerous editions. This is the 8th edition. The editions were expanded and revised as they went along. I just noticed there was Washington City and Monticello and Richmond, Virginia. And here's the index. Basically, it even covers from Savannah to Charleston and all the way up into Quebec and Canada and Vermont and Montreal and Toronto, Buffalo, and so on, especially a lot of the Hudson River in New York and Saratoga Springs. What's nice here is that as these guidebooks got revised, the first few editions did not have folding maps. Then as they get later, there is an additional map added, and that map is present here as issued. It's very well preserved, and it's on a bond paper. I'm going to unfold it now carefully so you can see it. I will handle the book in relationship to the map very carefully, and this is how it looks. There is a short tear down at the base of it that was repaired long ago. And there is a short, small, little minor split here near the edge of the inset tab. Yes, and this map is drawn by Lee and published by Davison in Saratoga Springs. So we can assume that it's not a common map at all. It shows the routes covered in the guidebook. It folds up nicely, like so, back in, like this. And this is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.